Where you going? What's your...
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty look, but it's going to be a bit witchy, a bit dark since Halloween's coming up, but I am also so excited because me and my boyfriend are going to a drive-through open cinema and we're watching The Nun, which is part of the Conjuring series, which, if you don't know, is one of my favourite horror film franchises. And from what I gather, I'm pretty sure that when you drive through, they actually have scare actors jumping at your car trying to scare you before you even get into the film, and then once you're watching the film they jump at your windscreen, they jump at your windows, basically spook you whilst you're watching a horror film. Which I'll absolutely love. Boyfriend, on the other hand, might not be a big fan, but it'll actually be funny for me to watch. Also, I've seen videos of people going to the toilet. Let me bring myself back a bit here. I've noticed I'm a bit close to the camera. I've also seen people going to the toilet and actually being chased by the actors and running to the toilet whilst the actors are chasing you. So I think it's going to be a really good immersive experience, considering the situations with COVID and everything that's happening, and obviously a lot of horror and scary events have been cancelled at the minute, which is really disappointing because Halloween is one of my most favourite and busiest times of the year. However, it's great that places are doing these sort of things. I'm going to show you today this look. Go for something to eat, so I don't want to go too much out there, as much as I don't really give a damn about what people think. I don't want too many people staring at me because I'm going to be going through the traffic centre and I'm going to be having something to eat, picking up some stuff to eat, nibble on and stuff, and then we will be going to watch the film and through the actual drive-through. I'm so excited. I'm being more excited to say that I'm going to take you with me on this experience. Without further ado, if you are new to my channel, my name is Meesha. I am a special effects and beauty makeup artist. If you like what you are watching or are going to watch by the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. It just lets me know if you guys are actually enjoying the content that I'm putting out there and gives me some form of feedback. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going in with an eyebrow gel just to set all those eyebrows in place. Make sure no wispies go floating about out of place. We don't love that, so just making sure all those are stuck down nice and neat. And then here me demonstrating drying it off. And then I'm going with the L'Oreal Pomade Brow Gel, and I'm just filling in any places that I feel may need it. So now I'm going to go in with my eye base, which is the Maybelline concealer in shade True Ivory. I always go in with the lightest colour just because it helps to give my eyeshadow the best pigment payoff. Stippling it on is the best method so I don't get any streaks, and then going in with a nice fluffy brush just to tap that down, waiting for it to tack off and dry down and obviously blend out the edges. I'm using a really big Kryolan brush. I love this. It's a flat brush which allows me to get precision, as you can see, but also it just gets the product on really quick, saving time.
Let me hear it, let me have it, baby. Give it to me now, give it to me now.
And here I'm just going off on one, singing a bit Moana, because who doesn't like Disney?
Nothing out, don't have nothing out. Take a second, let me tell you how that leather with my eyes.
So now I'm going to go in with the Revlon palette. I'm not sure which one this one's called, but all the products are listed down below as usual. There you will find a direct link and also the actual name of the palette, but it's absolutely amazing. It's got loads of matte shades, and for the price you just can't fault it.
If it's up to me, I will keep you here.
I'm going in with a patting motion. You don't want to go in and swash it around, just because you'll be blending your eyeshadow out into the concealer, which will make it more dull. And then with a smaller brush, I'm just going in with my transition shade, which in this case is a red shade. And I'm just placing this on at the minute. It looks not blended, not flawless, but patting it on will get the placement on well and also keep the pigment. And then now going in with a fluffy brush to blend that edge out. And going back in with the purple to blend it into the red, making sure it's a flawless transition. I will say that the colours didn't blend together as well as other palettes, however for the price you can't fault it. And then quickly just then you saw me go in with a Witchcraft palette. Then going in with the Kryolan glitter gel, and I'm putting that on in the centre of the eye to create a halo look. Doing that on both eyes to the areas where I want the actual glitter to stick, and then waiting for it to tack off slightly but not too much. And then I'm going in with the TKB Chameleon pigment, and as you can see with the light, this pigment is absolutely stunning and it changes colour as you turn. I will say the camera and pictures do not do this pigment any justice. In person it is absolutely stunning and shows so many different colours, from purple, blues, pinks and a slight bit of green. It is beautiful. And I'm just slowly dispersing that out so there's not a harsh edge.
Take a second, let me tell you how that level with my teeth.
And then I'm going in with the black colour from the Artistry palette from Morphe, just to blend that up, and then obviously went in with a liner then from Huda Beauty, guys, not Hoodie.
Stick around so we can kick it for a minute. Stick around so we can kick it.
Okay, so I've done the eyes and now I'm going to go on and get on with this base because time is ticking and I'm running out of it, and obviously don't want to be late, so let's get this base on. So now going in with the Maybelline Light Beige 24-hour coverage foundation, stippling it all on with a beauty blender as usual, and then in with a Pro MUA LA Girl like bronzer, concealer, contour liquid. I'm not sure what they call this, guys, but I'm just basically putting that in around my face, and I like to call this technique reversed highlighting. So as you can see, my face is quite light compared to my shoulders and my neck, so I went in then with this Pro Concealer, mixed that with the light foundation. So in turn, instead of putting the darker shade on first and then the light, I did it in reverse. I put the lighter shade on first and then added the dark as I felt where it needed it, so it removed that chance of me actually going too dark with my base. Quickly in with the RMCA setting powder. Don't like to use too much, so I go in with a little brush. It looks like there's a lot there, but honestly guys, it's the smallest amount. And then with the Hoola Bronzer, as always, the most amazing bronzer out there, in my opinion. Just contouring in the regular areas, and then in with the MAC blusher. Again, all the products will be listed down below. In with my favourite highlighter, the Doll Beauty highlighter, putting it on the usual areas, cheekbone, a little bit on my nose where I feel it needs it, a tiny bit on the forehead. Then in with the NYX lipstick, again not sure what the shade was here or the name, but it's the Suede cream lipsticks, and again will be listed down below. I felt this colour was a bit too orange for this look, so then I went in with another colour and that didn't work, so then went in with a bit of foundation and just tapped that into the lipstick and mixed it, and it was close to the shade I wanted, but I felt there was some warmth and purple needed to be added to the lips to coincide with the eye look, so I went in with this plummy purpley red lip liner. Then I'll set off with my favourite setting spray, the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. And that is the finished look, guys.
Where you going? What's your hurry, baby? Where you headed to? Where you headed to? Where you coming back? Will you be returning anytime soon? Anytime soon.
So this is the end of the makeup section. This is the witchy, I don't know, dark, gothy, going out sort of makeup. I wanted to go a bit dark with it, obviously being Halloween soon, and I was going to this spooky movie. So now I'm going to take you to fun bit, which is to the Travis Centre to Event City, where we'll be watching The Nun. So where are we, Jamie? In what restaurant? Chow Baby.
Our favourite.
Yeah, we're in Chow Baby, our favourite place. But, can't go in and actually get the food, but we bring you these like menus, so you can, if you can pick it up, so you can actually pick what you want, and you can do that as many times as you want.
As you can see, we picked everything on the menu.
For the starters, and then we're going to go back for mains. You're very happy, aren't you?
Oh,
We've got our starter. We picked a few different things there, so then the camera won't focus. Got starters there. Looks very nice. Look how nice this food looks.
Yes,
we
another
go.
special situation from the DJ. It is Claptone who said immediately, yes, let me play again at Wood's house. So Claptone is our DJ. I'm ready for their DJ set. But first, some fine Swedish trance music. This is
Scarcity Sign. Okay, so we've just come in to the drive thing, waiting to queue. Look at that. Spooky things. And so the way we can actually hear the film is by linking to this radio here. And it's 87.8 FM, and that's how we're going to hear the film, which is, I just think is really cool. And it is a walk through scare thing, so the camera won't
prepare for yourself.
So this is going to be interesting. Hopefully my camera will be able to actually capture what we're about to experience. See you in the tunnel, guys. Can you see it? The big screen over there as well. We're coming up. I've decided to have the windows down. I've got cameras in my hands here. So we're waiting to go in. Oh my god. Can you put my window on? No, it's alright. No, I'm filming. It's fine. I'm going to be great. Brave, aren't I, guys?
This is crazy.
Oh my god. Are you ready? Oh my god, that's creepy. That is creepy. Guys, can you see it? Oh my god! Oh my god, that is awful. That is absolutely awful. Oh fuck this! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Chinese! Oh my god! This is so creepy! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, that is like, oh my god! That is like.
That's scary, that.
That is scary.
Go like that.
That is scary.
Go like that. Go like that.
That is scary.
I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. That was amazing. Just for a drive-through cinema. Oh!
Jesus! They're coming out of everywhere! Oh no, it's gonna Jimmy keep going, it's coming around my side. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, safety in the steward.
Cheers, mate.
So we are watching The Nun. Oh my god, that was so good. And it's about to start. And there's currently a really creepy guy over there. And so it begins. See you in a bit.
Oh, he's saying his prayer.
Oh Jesus, oh no, it's that really creepy one. Oh. No! David! Oh my god! New top! He's like literally looking. Oh, the bloody mud better come out! Look in the window, guys! Oh, that's creepy. Anyway, back to the film. So, just finished watching The Nun. Our windows are really steamy at the minute. But yeah, we've just finished watching it, and there's still scare actors currently running around everywhere. But what did you think of it?
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It was amazing. Definitely recommend it to anyone. Such a good immersive experience. Yeah, so that's the end of the video now. Me and Jamie are absolutely shattered, aren't we?
More than that.
Yeah, but it was absolutely worth it. It's been absolutely amazing. There's still scare actors running around as we speak, but cars are starting to be moved out. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial earlier on. I hope you liked this video content, something a bit different and going out to Trafford Centre and also coming to this really unique, immersive, scary experience. So, from me and Jamie, goodbye.